operator to determine the target location and to clarify the trueness of the target. A square is completed around the target with a distance of about 200 centimeters, 7 feet, from the target center. When the operator is at the same line with the target, the antennas turn to the target. If the target is real, the antennas should turn to the target from all 4 sides. Otherwise, there is a possibility that the target being not real. Very important note: while using the device to search, please put the deep master unit in the ground in any nearby randomly area in order to properly be searching for these targets and more effectively. Measuring the depth of the target. At the highest point of the target, enter the wedges or pegs from the deep master unit about 8 centimeters in the ground. Set the precise frequency to 5. Select the target program from the main unit. Wait 3-4 minutes. Stand on the target and watch the antennas turn into one side. And this is the first point of signal. After moving from the target point, you will notice that the antennas will gradually move forward. Stop when the antennas turn back on one side, and this is the second point of signal. The approximate depth of the target is the distance between the 2 signal points, with the slope of 45 degrees from the second point.